Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you another way to earn 100% passive income, and we are going to do that just by using one simple app. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. The app I'm talking about is called IPRoyal Pawns, IPRoyal. And this is an app quite like Honeygain. If you don't know what Honeygain is, here somewhere in the screen you will find a link to watch my review on Honeygain. And IPRoyal is the same as Honeygain. What it does is it uses your unused internet data, the ones that you don't use even if you want to, you can't use. So basically you sell them to this app. Now it goes without saying that this is it's not like it's gonna make you rich fast, okay? This is just some extra cash just by doing nothing, just by installing this app, creating an account and leaving your device on, such as laptop or whatever other devices, Android, iOS, etc. Okay, this is the dashboard of my account. I just started using this app. I've reached $1.8, which means I've sold 9.01 gigabyte. Alright, and the minimum amount to request a payout is $5. The moment you reach $5, you can request a payout and you get paid via PayPal or BTC or cryptocurrency. So if you already know honeygain.com, then you will get the idea of this app. Now, like I said, I just started using it. I haven't requested any payout yet because I haven't reached the minimum amount, $5. But I've seen some videos on YouTube, I've read some reviews, and it seems a legit app. However, I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna test it. The moment I reach $5, I'm gonna request a payout, and if I get the money, that means that it's safe to use, it's okay to use, and I will keep using it. Obviously, I'm gonna record another video the moment I request a payout, and we will see together how it goes. Okay, now the thing I like the most about this app is the fact that it pays you $0.2 for 1 gigabyte sold. If you already use Honeygain, and I'm comparing this app to Honeygain again because they are the same thing, basically the same idea, okay? But here you get paid basically double comparing to Honeygain. So Honeygain pays you $1 for 10 gigabytes sold, and if we do the math here, you will get $1 for 5 gigabyte sold. Alright, because $0.2 for 1 giga, it means $1 for 5 giga, right? So it pays double the amount that Honeygain pays. Okay, and the other thing that I like is the affiliate program. You can invite friends, and by the way, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. It's 100% free to join this app, and if you have a desktop at home with unlimited internet connection, that's great. If you have unlimited internet data on your cell phone, that's even better. Alright? However, if you want to join, just click this link. It will take you right to the sign up page. Just create an account, download it for your device, such as Windows, Android, iOS, whatever you have, and you're good to go. And for every referral, you don't earn credits, such as in Honeygain or Gigabyte, but you earn directly a cash 10% for every invited user's payout amount. It means that the moment your referrer requests a payout, which is the minimum $5, you get 10%, $0.5 directly to your IPRoyal account balance. But if your referral has, say, 1,000 referrals under his or her name, okay, he will request a payout more frequently, which means you will get 10% more frequently. Simple as that. Okay, which means you will earn more and more. And of course, the 10% is credited the moment they request the payout. All right, not the moment they start using the app. Okay. So this is basically it. Yeah, another feature to earn some extra cash is survey, depending on your location. Now, at this moment, I don't have any surveys available, but here you can find all the available surveys and the amount you will get paid accordingly. Alright, then when you reach the minimum amount, you just go here and request a payout. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys, this introduction video of IPRoyal. Like I said, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video, and of course, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And the moment I'm gonna reach $5 in my account balance, I'm gonna request a payout, and I'm gonna record a video while doing so we all see how it goes. Okay, until then, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel again. Sorry, I'd appreciate it. And see you in the next video. Yeah, cheers.